Hey folks, it's Steve at petroleumtrucks.net. Another question we get quite often is, do you offer a warranty on your trucks? And you know, the hard thing about that is we don't get warranties when we purchase these chassis. They do go through an extensive check mechanically. Of course, our tanks, everything is in test, PIVK and the DOT, but it's just tough for us when the end user drives off of our lot. We have no control over how that person might use the truck. So it's really tough for us to give you a warranty. Now, we will work with you and we want to keep in touch. We're in this for the long haul. We want customers for life. We try to work with people when there are issues, but it's hard to have an official warranty per se.